welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating a video of just what I do in the mornings when I am in a rush. As you all know, I am a mom of 4 and sometimes mommy doesn't get the time to get herself ready because I have to get 4 little ones ready first before myself. So I just do very minimal things. I am going to do this video for you guys. It's been highly requested, especially from my mommy friends, Heather and Lori. This is for you. Yeah, so this is just kind of what I do in the morning. I just have to make sure that I have a few things, and I will show you what I am using in my video. So I hope this is helpful to all of you. Let's get started. So these are the things that I use when I am in a rush. It may seem like a lot, but it isn't, and I will go through it with you. All right, so yeah. So usually when I am in a rush to get ready, I will do my eyebrows with powder instead of the pomade. So I do still use Anastasia, and I just use the medium brown. It's the Brow Powder Duo. As you can see, I use this a lot, and I can use a new one, but I use this color right here on that side. So yeah, so I just kind of like fill in the gaps of my brows so that they don't look so, so I look like I have full brows, but I'm not really like trying to do like a full glam look because, like I said, this is just me getting ready, not much time to spare. I don't know how many of you can relate, but typically I get about 5 or 10 minutes to myself to get ready in the morning. Unless like I'm really going somewhere, then I'll just wake up really early in the morning and I will get myself ready, and then I'll get up and I'll get the kids ready instead. So like I said, I'm not really doing like a big glam thing with my brows. I just want to like fill them in so they don't look so bald. So like I just kind of do it messy. Like I'm not really trying, because if I was doing a look, I would spend, I don't know how long I would spend, but I'll spend a long time on my brows if I was doing a look. So today we finally got like the kids out for a little bit, and we kind of went for a walk around the neighborhood, and just tired of being kind of cooped up in the house all day, so we did that. And now the babies are napping, so I decided to come on here and kind of show you guys what I do when I'm in a rush. And I need to do my eyebrows, but that's okay. We're not going to be too picky right now. So I do still outline my brows just because, like, I feel like, I don't know, like I just can't go, especially because like I haven't done my eyebrows, so it kind of hides some of the hair there. So I just kind of like take it like that. Like usually when I do a full thing, I like really outline them, but again, this is like typically being done with like my kids crying. My kids crying, my husband waiting in the car already. So I don't know if you see, but like it definitely like just fixes the mess that you made, because let's be real, guys, we're just like slapping stuff on our face because we're in a rush and we gotta run out the door. So this always saves me. So like, I'm content with just my eyebrows being done, to be honest. That makes it so much better. This is why I tint my brows, because when they're tinted, I don't have to do this. Like, it's just, that's like too sharp right there. And if you notice that it's too sharp, like, you can just take the spoolie and just kind of brush that out, and it'll help with the sharpness. So you just brush it up like so. I would say that most of my time probably goes to the brows, but then, you know, I just kind of like dab some concealer in here. I don't do too much because I don't want it to be like crazy, like bright. And I do spray my sponge, so I just use my MAC Prep and Prime. I just spray that sponge a little bit, and then I kind of just like pat that in. Just pat that in. And I really don't want to like edit the video too much because I want you guys to see like truly how long this takes me. It doesn't take me that long, like, you know, because I'm typically doing it like with a whole bunch of anxiety running through me because I know that they're waiting for me. So I do bring it up to my eyelids a little bit. Like, I just kind of go around in circle just so that I don't look like I haven't slept in years, even though I haven't slept in years. No, just kidding. But, you know. So I kind of just do like that with my, and then I use my MAC medium golden mineral skin finish. So it just looks like this. And I will just take a little bit on this Real Techniques brush, and I just kind of go like here to kind of like pat that in, set it a little bit. Nothing crazy. And I take my big powder brush and I just get some of that on there, and I just go over my face because I feel like this just helps minimize any redness that I have in my face, like the blemishes. It kind of evens my skin tone a little bit. I don't get too crazy with it because I'm not doing like a full coverage face look. Like, this is just something to get me through the day, get me out the door, you know. So I just rub that on. And then I do take a little bit of my it's MAC Warm So with my blush or brush. This is from MAC as well. It's a 120, and I just take that and I kind of just put it on, like, just to give my cheeks a little color. Nothing, again, crazy. I just kind of, so I don't look like, you know, I'm dying here. A little color, but I don't do anything crazy. I just kind of like put just barely anything. And then my highlight brush, it usually has a little bit of highlight left, so I just kind of like get my cheeks. Then I just do a little bit of mascara. So I curl my eyelashes there, curl them up, and then I do dip into my powder just a tiny bit. I don't go too crazy, just a tiny bit, and I kind of like shake it off because I don't want it to look too white, but I do want to push some of that in to my eyes, so I do that a little bit, just. And then I go with the powder brush. So, thing that I do is I take highlight, and I like to use usually the Becca Cosmetics Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop, and I just like put that into my eyes there, again, so that I don't look like I am dying. And I just pop that into the corner because it just gives your eyes a little bit of life. I'll take like a clean brush and kind of like just pop that in the corners of my eyes, and then I put my mascara on. And it doesn't matter if you get any mascara on your eyelids, because you can just like let it dry and wipe it off. Like usually what I do is I just let it dry like in the car, and then I wipe it off while I'm in the car because I don't have time to wait for it. So just, you know, do that. Put a little bit on my bum. Not too much because I don't want my... I always go in with 2 mascaras just because. That's it. Yeah. And I spray my face. So I went back in with my Tarte Tarteus. Just kind of fixed it a little. That's it. That is it, guys. So that is what I do. This is what I do when I am in a rush and I don't have time, and then probably either my hair is already done or I just let it air dry because I ain't got time for that. So this is real mom life, guys. This is what it is like. We don't have time. Most times I don't even put anything on my lips. I just put like a lip gloss, or I usually just put a lip balm on my lips. So I do have this one that I like a lot. It's so good. I just put that on. Keep my lips natural, and I keep it moving. And that is how this mommy of 4 gets ready in the morning, rushing out the door, but making sure that I don't look like I just rolled out of bed, because mommy has to look good too. So there you have it. Literally all you need is a little brow powder, some concealer, and mascara. Goes a long way. You don't even have to add the color to the cheeks or the highlight. I just do it because it makes me feel better. I don't know, but you can make it happen. 10 minutes, that's all you need. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Bye guys.